Today we're featuring a 2016 Peterbilt 367 tandem highway tractor. This unit comes fully loaded with a 48-inch sleeper cab with power windows, locks and mirrors, plus AM, FM, CD radio with GPS navigation. This Peterbilt features a Cummins ISX engine with 550 horsepower, 230-inch wheelbase, 18-speed manual transmission with a 3.91 gear ratio, Pete air track suspension with a 13,200 front axle rating and a 46,000 rear. It also comes equipped with full locking rear differentials. Also features a sliding fifth wheel with a headache rack, beacon lights, and wet kit. This Peterbilt has 425,000 miles on it and is work ready for the highway. For more heavy equipment trucks like this, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.